guess on the 17th I'll pack up my silverware and plates into a box. My book collection, my DVDs, that's like another day. Shoes, that'll be on the 20th. Huh?
Hey man, what are you doing?
Oh, what up, girlfriend? I'm just trying to move, my Jeep, it just doesn't hold that much,
That's gonna take forever. Why don't you just go to rpin.com where let's get the job done fast, effective, and on time. rpin.com, man, creating customers for life.
Just called it, huh? Just called it.
Yeah, rpin.com, man. Check it out.